boys and girls. Today we're going to review our opposites that we talked about last week. Now, the ones that we did last week, I had some objects that I actually showed you. This is a poster that has some opposites on it. And by the way, I loved hearing from some of you that came up with your own opposites. That was great. Okay, here's the first one. There's two televisions here. This one is on, and this one is off. On is the opposite of off. Here is a container full of gumballs. Looks like yummy gumballs. This one is empty. Full is the opposite of empty. Here is a cup of hot chocolate. Yummy, yummy hot chocolate. Here is a cold popsicle. The opposite of hot is cold. Here is a rock. A rock is really, really hard. And then here's a pillow that's soft. Hard is the opposite of, right, soft. Here is the front of a car, and here is the back of a car. Front is the opposite of back. Here's a cute little train. Here's the beginning of the train, and here is the end of the train. Beginning is the opposite of end. Here is a basketball and a tennis ball. The basketball is big and the tennis ball is little. Here's a book. This book is open and this book is closed. The opposite of open is closed. Then here are two pencils. One of the pencils is long and one of the pencils is, right, short. Long is the opposite of short. We're going to go over here, and you guys, I'm sure, remember this poster from school. This is our shapes poster. I bet you will remember all of our shapes. Some of them are things that you already knew when you started pre-K. Some of them you learned after you started pre-K. So let's go ahead and start. This shape is called a, right, circle. This is called an oval. Very good. It just looks like we took that circle and we stretched it out a little bit. This is an oval. Then we have our shape that has 1, 2, 3 sides. Right, triangle. Very good. Then we come down here. Now, a lot of you would say diamond, and that's true, but it has a special name, and its special name is rhombus. Then we have this shape that has 4 equal sides. This is called a square. If we come over here, we have a shape with 4 sides also, but this side and this side are different. It looks like we took the square and we pulled it this direction and stretched it out. You see on the square, all of the sides are equal. They are the same size. On the rectangle, the top and the bottom are smaller than the 2 sides. This is a rectangle. Then we come down here, our shape that looks a little bit like a house, remember? And it's called a pentagon. Very good, pentagon. Now, these two shapes look similar, but one of them has a different number of sides than the other. Let's count the sides starting at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Now we have this one. Let's start counting these sides from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This shape has 8 sides. This is called an octagon. So we have circle, oval, triangle, rhombus, square, rectangle, trapezoid, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. Very good. All right, well, boys and girls, thank you for coming today and learning about opposites, more about opposites, and reviewing our shapes. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.